All right, guys, I am out here in the field doing some detailing right now, and I just want to talk to you all, carpet cleaners especially, detailers. I'm not really sure if you guys are, let me get my lighting right, I'm sorry. Detailers, I'm not really sure if you guys are too familiar with this or not, but this here is 40 volume peroxide that we use to remove organic stains and to make dirt kind of disappear, just vanish before you even clean it, to make pet odors vanish before you clean them, to make pet stains vanish before you clean them, just regular dirt from food and things like that, and hands and body oils and whatnot. But this 40 volume peroxide, this is, so like regular household peroxide is 10 volume, but in these little jugs here, in these little jugs right here, they come in 20, 30, and 40, I believe. And I want to talk to a lot of people that use these products about why I only buy 40 volume peroxide. I do not buy 20 volume because I think that it's a waste of space. And this might be a simple reason that a lot of people may not take into consideration when they put things on their truck. So all this is water, hydrogen peroxide, phosphoric acid to, just to kind of stabilize it. So this right here is a quarter gallon. This is 32 ounces. I usually buy maybe two of these. I might keep two of these in my car, in my car, and that's a half gallon of 40 volume peroxide. So so two of these are around the same price as 1 gallon of 20 volume peroxide. So when you do the math, you are getting the same amount of cleaning power. You're getting the same amount of peroxide. It's just you have more concentration of it, and it takes up less space. So let's say you wanted to keep 2 gallons of 20 volume in your car. You could just have 1 gallon of 40 volume in your car and just dilute it as you need it. So you can't make 20 volume stronger, but you can make 40 volume weaker. And that is the reason why I only buy this and I do not bother with the other stuff.